Now to the Princess of Wales and her heartbreaking cancer diagnosis. Princess Kate's disappearance in the public eye, followed by a doctored family photo, sparked weeks of wild speculations. Now we know from a rare video released by Kensington Palace, she's undergoing chemotherapy and in the early stages of treatment. DC News Now's Daniel Hamburg live tonight at the British Embassy here in DC. And Daniel, a lot of people sending out their well wishes to the princess.
Yeah, Chris, what we've been hearing from people walking on the street and all over social media is that it is very sad that this has happened, not something anybody wants to happen. Now, well wishes have been pouring in from everywhere.
This, of course, came as a huge shock. And William and I have been doing everything we can to process and manage this privately for the sake of our young family.
Kate Middleton, the Princess of Wales, is discussing her diagnosis after abdominal surgery in January.
The surgery was successful. However, tests after the operation found cancer had been present.
Her absence from the public eye since then has fueled a lot of speculation, especially after earlier this month she posted a photo that appeared to be digitally altered. Now well wishes are pouring in from the White House.
Our thoughts are with the Duchess of Cambridge and her family members and friends during this incredibly difficult time.
And at a British pub in Northeast where visitors are empathetic.
As a mom, you're thinking about, well, how does this affect my child? But she has the added challenge of, well, how does this affect other people? And that's just really unfair, and I can't imagine what she's processing.
Kate is asking for privacy, but has this message for the world watching.
For everyone facing this disease, in whatever form, please do not lose faith or hope. You are not alone.
It's so healing as human beings when we have someone that relates to what we're going through. And I'm really interested to see how it plays out in the perspective of what does it mean for healthcare and access.
Now, in a statement from Buckingham Palace, King Charles III, who is also battling cancer himself, said, quote, he is so proud of Catherine for her courage in speaking as she did. We're live in Northwest. Daniel Hamburg, DC News Now.
All right, a lot of prayers there. Daniel, thanks. A palace statement also saying no details will be provided about her cancer or treatment other than she started in late February. Now, a video of this nature, keep in mind, is extremely rare for the royal family. Historically, they have kept any health issues out of the public eye. When it was revealed last month that both Kate and King Charles III were having health troubles, that really marked a major shift. While the king has not been the first to battle cancer in the royal family, he was the first to make his battle public.